All right, I'm here at the investment property in Roseville, and one of the challenges when you get a new house, whether it's a rental property or a house for yourself, is to furnish it. And people don't think about things like glasses, cups, appliances, microwave, all that kind of stuff. So I've been trying to find inexpensive plates, cups, things like that, and I have found something today at the Goodwill in Roseville. Let me show you my find here. Over at the Goodwill in Roseville, next to the auto mall, I found these plates made by Pier 1. Let's see if this will focus here. These say a dollar, but they were actually 49 cents for the small ones and $1 for the large ones. They're a little bit funky yellow color, but I think that actually kind of looks cool with the green that's going on here. And almost every one of these plates seems to be brand new. I don't see really any chips, any scratches. Usually dishware, dishes and stuff that you find at secondhand stores are terrible, but these are almost brand new. They just need the Sharpie mark on the underside of them removed. But going through, so I think it's, how many large ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 large yellow Pier 1 plates. They say that they're microwavable, dishwasher safe, hand-painted exclusive earthenware for Pier 1 imports. And then the smaller ones, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a pretty good find for $11.